To customize a workout screen on the Galaxy Watch 9, first of all, when you just swipe up and down, you can see the different screens and you can get up to 3 of them. Now, to customize them, we have to go for a left side. We have to just swipe like this, go to the settings, and right now we have to scroll down for a workout screen. As you can see, we can find the data screen first, second, and also the HR zone screen. So this is the last one that I show you. If you don't like one of them, for example, you don't care about the HR zone, you can turn it off. But of course, if you want to customize, for example, the second screen, you're opening this, you can find like 4 different layouts. Even you can get this one with a lot of different information. And right now, if I'm gonna tap on the speed and I want to, for example, replace it with, let's say, percentage VO2 max, I can easily do this. And after that, I can go back, and as you can see, it's already applied.